Ever wondered what it might be like to immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Thailand while gaining valuable experience in hotel management? Welcome, dear viewers, to a fascinating discussion on a recent event that's making waves in the hospitality industry. In the heart of Southeast Asia, an exciting opportunity has recently unfolded. A prestigious hotel chain in Thailand has launched an internship program designed to provide hands-on experience to budding hotel management enthusiasts. This program has been making headlines for its innovative approach to practical learning, and today we delve into what makes it so remarkable. At the core of this internship lies a unique blend of theoretical knowledge and on-the-job training. Interns are given the chance to work across various departments, from front office operations to food and beverage management, housekeeping to guest relations, understanding the intricate dynamics of each. What sets this program apart is the emphasis on cultural immersion. Interns are not only trained in the nuances of hotel management, but are also introduced to the rich Thai culture. They are encouraged to learn the local language, engage with the community, and understand the subtleties of Thai hospitality, which is deeply rooted in the country's traditions and customs. Another key highlight of this program is the focus on sustainability. In line with Thailand's commitment to ecotourism, the internship involves training on sustainable business practices. Interns learn how to implement energy-efficient measures, reduce waste, and contribute to the local economy, making this experience not only a career booster, but also an opportunity to make a positive impact. This internship program is also noteworthy for its mentorship component. Each intern is paired with a seasoned industry professional who provides guidance, shares insights, and assists in navigating the challenges of the dynamic hospitality industry. In conclusion, this hotel management internship in Thailand presents a unique opportunity to gain practical experience, immerse in a vibrant culture, contribute to sustainability, and receive mentorship from industry experts. It's a golden chance to step into the world of hospitality and learn the ropes from the best in the business. Thank you for tuning into our discussion on this exciting development in the hospitality industry. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, keep exploring the world of opportunities that lie before you.